Another 1,000 birds joining us. We must have a couple thousand ducks here, eh? Pretty cool, eh, guys? Look at this out front, eh? Right up front. Look at that, eh? If you have a problem finding ducks and can't find ducks, I have a solution for you. BlueSky Outfitting. We'll supply the ducks. If that's your problem, lack of ducks, then come see us. Give me a call at 780-536-7290. We can supply the ducks. Here comes some right now. Here they come. Here they come. Right up front. Landing in the decoys again.